Let's learn about opposite words today. The opposite of big is
small,
the opposite of tall is
short,
the opposite of happy is
sad,
and the opposite of long is
short,
short. Opposite of boy is
girl,
opposite of strong is
weak,
sit,
stand,
cry,
laugh,
up,
down,
hot,
cold,
wet,
dry,
big,
small,
push,
pull,
open,
close,
fat,
thin,
full,
empty,
few,
many,
dirty,
clean,
fast,
slow,
right,
left,
and big, small, beautiful, ugly, bright, dim, bold, timid, bad, good, busy, idle, clean, dirty, clear, unclear, cold, hot, difficult, easy, dry, wet, dark, light, dead, alive, deep, shallow, different, same, early, late, easy, hard, empty, full, exciting, boring, expensive, cheap, fast, slow, far, near, full, empty, friendly, unfriendly, fresh, stale, flexible, rigid, great, terrible, genuine, fake, gentle, harsh, giant, dwarf, happy, sad, light, heavy, healthy, unhealthy, high, low, hot, cold, huge, tiny, interesting, boring, intelligent, unintelligent, innovative, traditional, inspiring, discouraging, internal, external, kind, cruel, known, unknown, major, minor, male, female, manual, automatic, modern, ancient, more, less, most, least, large, small, late, early, light, dark, little, big, long, short. Well, my video ends here. I hope you will definitely like this video. Don't forget to share, subscribe and like it. Thank you for watching.